I can't believe I let you get away.
Imagine discovering that one day that your bank account has been hijacked by an imposter who has stolen all of your money.
Instead of stealing the benefits in cash at ATMs, as we have been reporting, now we're learning that some fraudsters are hijacking victims' accounts and then transferring the funds
to my own bank account.
I just woke up to another play. Woke up and swiped today. I'ma get to log into your bank account, don't got no time to play. I just logged into another chase. Might be my lucky day. They up 100 million, I look close, the first name say it's Jay. I'm ducking, dodging all the feds, but soon I gotta stop. I wake up and start punching cars. I know I got a problem. The police got behind the car. I guess I gotta toss it. I look back and they kinda far. I broke the embosser. All my sauce is green with chase. I could walk out with 10 bands today. I think I fell in love with BOA. They always let me slide without my face. I know you ain't make no bread today. I bet I can make that change today. Go and get a different name today, so then I can show you plenty ways. Make sure you got a VPN, then change it to a different state. There's plenty different bank accounts that hit, but I like using Chase. You can make a Cash App, send yourself some money and not leave a trace. You can make a Venmo, send yourself the bread, but only send out 8. Or go and set a Bitcoin wallet up using that fake name. Now load it up and send yourself some coin, now that's some quick change. You can't wait too long to click.
Begging on the knees to be popular.
Drop like flies in this bitch. I cut ties in this bitch. I'll cut ties in your face. Yeah, cut you like a lace. Nothing I do can be replaced. That's why I'm living out in space. I take the money to another level. I take the plane to another level. I take the highest to a new level. I take it high to a new level. Keep thinking it's right past you to show. Yeah, I ain't mean to burst your bubble, but I ain't in to make a change. I'ma stay the same. Bring it to my level. If we be real, I don't know how to feel. I've been overseas, you've been on your knees. Please, baby, please. There's nothing left to see. Nothing left to feel. Why you in the field? Why you so real? Tell me how you feel.